Assalamualaikum. I hope you are doing well. Correct pronunciation versus common incorrect pronunciation. Number one, what is it? Is it women or woman? It is women. Women, not woman. Woman, not woman. Okay, it's we, women, women. Got it? This one is correct. Women. Number two, Wednesday. No, it is Wednesday. Wednesday, not Wednesday. Got it? Wednesday. Number three, February. February. No, it's wrong. It is February. February. Got it? February. February. Got it? So this one is correct. What is this? Corey? No, it is choir. Choir. Got it? So this one is correct, not Corey. Okay? So what is it? Colonel? No, it is colonel. 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 Got it? Women, Wednesday, February, choir, colonel. Repeat after me. Women, Wednesday, February, choir, colonel. Number 6, how do you pronounce it? Police? Police? No, it's police. Police. Got it? It is police. Okay? How do you pronounce it? Clothes? Clothes? No, it is pronounced as clothes. Clothes. Got it? How do you pronounce it? Receipt? No, it is receipt. Receipt. Okay? How do you pronounce it? Pronunciation? No, it is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Got it? Okay. How do you pronounce it? Interesting? No, it is interesting. Interesting. Got it? So the correct way is interesting. Repeat after me. Police. Got it? Police. Close. Receipt. Pronunciation. Interesting. Police. Close. Receipt. Pronunciation. Interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.